Hello guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorials. Any iPhones that is locked to owners, and when you go for open to have the good configuration by virtue of iTunes, especially to fix it, then it's not a connecting, guys. See, I've opened this iTunes, but this is not configured and this is not a connecting. So how can I make it configuration? On the other hand, if I open a second iDevice management tool, there's a 3U tool. See guys, it's also not connecting. It's saying to the timeouts. Please unplug and connect this device. So suppose here this one, we are trying to once again connect of this one. So see here, it's still connecting, but of course it's not going to connect. So how do you heal off health? How do you especially repair after this? And if the iTunes, any iDevice management tool is not being connected when we plug the data cable from your CPU to especially this device, how do you repair? See, it's saying so the connecting, and after some times it will give you that timeout. And iTunes, what about that? See here, it's not connected. iTunes is not fully functional now. See, if I cut it and once again if I open, guys, so this live, of course we would like to fix it. So see, right now it's not connecting and it's saying so that timeout has been. So now what we have to do, just simply we will come in the toolbox, guys. In toolbox, just we have a iTunes utility. Of course here is a repair option. So now see here, maybe something this beta version, and of course 64-bit Apple application support. Apple application supports 32 bits as well as Apple mobile device supports. These all are not especially, it is installed, but of course it is not functional. So just we will repair it by uninstalling and thereupon of course installing it. So see here, it has started to work efficiently, and now I will show you that how it will be fixed. Now see, Banjo service, it is going to be then install files, and now it's repairing, guys. So first this 30 actually see now this both bit, especially now it's saying the no need to it happens due to sometimes due to bug or viruses, or of course maybe due to any technical server error, due to that. So in that conditions, this is a way that it is fixed. Now we can go for uninstall this old driver files, of course, and of course we will go for fix it. So now see, it is once again connected, and upon this iTunes symbol cam here, finally now see it's trying to access. So sometimes this is a, of course, any old iPhones and there you are having this kind of the problem, then you can fix it. Now it has been configured that it's saying lock to owners. How do you unlock? We will show you in the next tutorial, guys. Firstly, we will have to fix this device that all the iDevice management trying to access, and after configuration it's going to connect or not. So this is a connected. If I see here, guys, this micro given the running time, this Microsoft VC, of course this is also I'm going to install. So it is installed now, everything has been confirming. So just we will go for now. If I see 3U tool, of course this is now fantastically working. So both driver are working fantastically now. So this is all about. Furthermore, any inquiry, of course, I have the query below in the comment box. In the next tutorial, of course, live, I would like to show you how do you unlock without doing a jailbreaks of any iPhones. Yes, with the help of laptop or PC, without giving any charge to anyone. But of course, that would be only for institution purpose. Don't misuse of that trick and traps and strategy. So this is all about, guys. Thank you for visiting Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye.